Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Han, and today I'm going to repot Variegated Monstera. This type Constellation is like I had a cutting, it's some sort of tip cutting, and has been established on the root a lot, and that's why it seems like now the root is having grown too much, so I'm thinking to repot into a little bigger pot here. Honestly, what I think is like it really doesn't matter whether you plant it into dark color pot or not. I mean, transparent or not. But for me, it's like I would prefer to, especially like the costly plant, like quite plants that has a little bit of cost. I'll prefer to put in a transparent one, so in the way I can see inside what's going on. Just gently take it out. Just gently squeeze the pot out. So ideally it may be better for just put as it is with the root ball, but for me I know there's one more root is coming and then I want it to be established that one as well, so that's why I just slightly break the root ball and then put a little bit closer on the sides. Just for shaping, yeah. Just ideally this foliage stem, I don't know how to call it, stem, it's main stem. Ideally that one is more strong to holding it back, so I can put this another root to be established on the soil. But as you see, this one is the last foliage which is gonna be generate the new shoot, and looks like it's gonna emerge pretty soon. And if I tie it up here, it will possibly gonna damage this new shoot, so instead of that I choose the other stem, other foliage, so we can tie it up there. Like that. And here also. Pour some water. I'll leave it for a while like this, so all the soil of the water can be wet enough with absorbing the water from the saucer. Yes, that's it. That's pretty much everything for today's video of Repotting Constellation. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep update how it is perform.